Protect your seats and add some comfort to your interior with a SeatTopper seat cushion from Dash Designs. This universal seat cover is compatible with most automotive bucket seats. The SeatTopper conveniently covers the headrest, seating area, side panels, and front edge of the bucket seat. The mesh material adds style and comfort to your interior while giving you an affordable and easy to install seat cover option for just about any of your vehicles. To install, slide the plastic medallions between the space in your seat back and seat bottom. Attach the headrest cover using the elastic straps to buckle it in place. Secure the seat cover by pulling medallions to the base of your seat and rotate them to hold in place. Next, make sure the padded SeatTopper side flaps are properly covering your seats. They'll protect the seat covers from scuffs when you get in and out of the vehicle. Anchor the front elastic hooks under the seat. Make sure to attach them to the seat frame and not any of the wiring. The SeatTopper includes a convenient storage pocket in front for phone or keys, sporty design, and functional side flaps to protect your interior.